Hey loves! So I'm in Oslo right now for a Louis Tomlinson concert, which is tomorrow by the way. I am sweating and sweateth. I actually have a photo shoot tomorrow and the day after that with 2 different photographers. The first one is like a portrait shoot. We're gonna be heading to a beautiful location here in Oslo. For that one, I'm gonna have to do like natural makeup, do my own makeup, do my own hair. For the day after that, I'm working with a different photographer and a makeup and hairstylist. And I'll be showing you guys some behind the scenes, how I get ready for shoots, how other people get me ready for shoots and take care of me. So the first photographer actually reached out to me and the other photographer I reached out to. So whenever you're in a new country, new city, hit up a few photographers, see if they want to shoot with you. Offer to do your own hair and makeup. So I just sent my photographer what clothes I have with me, which is not a lot, but we're trying to make it work. I just sent her every item I have with me and she basically likes the stuff that I should bring. Since my first shoot tomorrow morning is right after breakfast and I still have to get there, I don't want to rush, so I'm gonna do my whole showering, hair washing, shaving right now, so I don't have to do that tomorrow, so I don't have to stress out. I am now officially squeaky clean, squeaky soft. Excuse me. It is now 11:15. I'm gonna try to get up at around 7:15 so I can enjoy my breakfast and then kind of take care of how I'm gonna get to the location and just plan everything out. Breakfast is my favorite part of the day. You best know I'm gonna take my time. All right, good night. So I just arrived. Do you want to introduce yourself?
I'm Martelina. I'm a photographer here in Oslo, and I reached out to Sarah to have a shoot, and she said yes.
Okay, so we're at this like beautiful location. Oh, you can't see it now. So we're gonna take a few pictures right here.
And then we're gonna go down to the pier and take some photos because of the cloudy weather, and it's gonna be really beautiful lighting down there.
Perfect.
Think about that you almost didn't get to go to the concert.
I just have to think about the concert and then I'll cry. Oh no! Is it working?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Sucking them tears back up. We are at the second location now. We're at the pier.
It looks really good. Oh, so excited. Best bit for me is when I can go home and just look at it and just start editing.
Yeah. How long do you usually take to edit?
You can get the photos from mine.
Oh really?
Yeah. I have quite a natural editing process, so I don't like use like a lot of time retouching or stuff like that.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful. What I could also do is like my leather jacket and just put the collar up maybe. I keep forgetting to put my TikTok. Okay. Here, wait, can we like recreate a few fake scenes just for TikTok? Guys, TikTok is fake. This kind of looks like the You and I music video. Do you want to tell them what camera you use?
I use a Mark III. 5D.
Okay.
Yeah, and a 15mm lens.
Beautiful, thank you. This is so pretty. We're looking for a coffee shop right now. What is this place called again?
Aker Brygge.
Alright, so I just got some oat milk, some water, and we're just gonna look at some of the pictures right now. This is the one. Oh, those are cute.
It was so nice meeting you and shooting you. I had such a lovely time, and I think the photos are going to be so great.
That's so nice.
Yeah, you do. And I just send you like a Dropbox.
Okay, perfect.
With the photos.
So I just took the train home. I did get lost, did have to take multiple trains, and I'm freezing. While I'm shooting, I'm usually in the zone and can't really tell if I'm freezing, but after the shoot, it hits me. I'm gonna take a warm bath now to warm up. And yeah, I should be expecting the pictures tonight sometime, so I'm very excited. It was a beautiful shoot. It's great to upgrade my portfolio with some new portraits. Well, what is happening? Guys, my bathroom is flooded. I was just about to sleep. It is now 12 a.m. But I just received the pictures from today's shoot and I'm too excited to wait. So we're gonna open it up together. That was so quick, by the way. I am just... Guys, these are so cute! Wow. This editing work is amazing. She didn't hide any of my features. She just enhanced them. They look great. This is a really strong one. Ah! These are amazing. I can't wait to share them with you guys. Okay, I'm gonna go check out the rest of them and then head to sleep because I need to wake up in just a few hours and get ready for the shoot. I love you guys. Good night. Hello loves, I just had breakfast and now I'm about to head to the salon where I'm going to get my makeup done and my hair done. It is about a 30-minute walk, but I feel kind of walkative today. I kind of have a headache from the concert yesterday, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm thriving. The only thing I have to bring are hoops. Let's go!
You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, you?
I'm good. So nice to meet you. Hi. This is where I'm getting my makeup done.
Take me to your heart.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Hi, it's nice to meet you. Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Hello, my name is Nelly. I'm a photographer based in Oslo, and today we're gonna have a very spontaneous shoot.
How are you? Are you not tired after the
I
concert?
am. Yeah, it was worth it though.
Take me to your heart.
I think I will make like light waves for you, so they're gonna be like natural. But this is very like spontaneous shoot also.
Those are the best shit.
Yeah, so we will just improvise, but I have like 2 looks in my mind, and we just need to find a location, and the light is really good. It's perfect. Look at you.
Beautiful model.
Oh,
thank you. So you got the gloves, top, your husband's shirt, this beautiful trench coat, this hat, which I'm very excited about, the vest,
Very important.
and very important, the bubble gum, which I'm also very excited about. And then we have these boots. We're gonna walk around with this suitcase.
Yeah. I really miss my stylist right now.
You're doing great. We're thinking of using these houses as the background.
I don't think I need to tell you what to do because you're moving so well. It's just natural what you're doing.
Now we're gonna look for a coffee shop to change. Let's see what I can work with. All right. We just got changed and I have this cool hat on. Now we're looking for a new location.
Just a pleasure, to work with you. Like, I'm just enjoying. I'm not even doing anything. Thank you.
Bubblegum time. Earring change. Taking out the big boys.
Nice.
It's so much. I'm really struggling right now.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I think we have it now. I think we have it.
Sneak peek. Oh wow, I love that one. We just got done and we had a very successful shoot day. So excited. So I'm back at home. It's been about 2 weeks and the lovely Nelly just sent me a few pictures. So I thought I'd share them with you and then we can react together. Dude, I look so good in this one. Oh, I love this one. Hello. Another update. Nelly just added a few more pictures in. Oh my god, she added so many. Cute. This might possibly be one of my favorite feelings ever, is just receiving my pictures after a shoot. This one is sick. This is so cool. I'm glad she got that pose in. The hat was my favorite thing ever. Stub it on him. Guys, what is this one? I love this one. I absolutely demolished this one. Are you kidding me? Getting pictures back, my self-love is dying. Okay. Bubblegum pics. Oh my god. It was so hard to work with the bubblegum. My jaw was hurting and I had so many in and I was just salivating and it was so hard to blow bubbles, but we did it. Wow. I'm just screenshotting them. I'm literally gonna add these to my portfolio right now. Oh!